Hello friends and welcome again to Easy Access Tech. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something very helpful, especially for people who want to start their own online store or small business on the internet. And the question that many people ask is, does Shopify really host websites and domains? So in this video, I will explain the answer in a very simple way so that even if you are a beginner or not very good in English or tech world, still you will understand. So let's start slowly and I will explain everything and you can just listen and understand one by one. So first, let me tell you, Shopify is a very popular platform where people can create online stores. That means if you want to sell something like clothes or electronics or food or anything, you can use Shopify to make your own website store. And then people can visit and buy things. So that is what Shopify is used for. Now, many people are confused and ask, if I make my store on Shopify, then do I also need another hosting or do I need to buy a domain from some other place? So that is what I am going to explain in this video. So the short answer is yes, Shopify does host websites. That means when you create your store on Shopify, they give you the space to keep your website on the internet. You don't need to go to another hosting provider like HostGator or Bluehost or anything like that. You don't have to set up anything complicated. Shopify take care about all of these things and you just build your store and they make sure your website runs properly. And it also means your store will work fast and be live all the time because Shopify has powerful servers and good support. Now let's talk about the domain. The answer is also yes. Shopify also gives you the option to buy and use a domain. A domain is like your website name. For example, www.easyaccesstech.com. So when you create a store on Shopify, they give you a free domain. But if you want a professional looking name, you can buy your own custom domain like your store name then .com. So yes, Shopify lets you buy the domain directly from their website. So you don't need to go somewhere else if you don't want to. But if you already have a domain from another company like GoDaddy, Namecheap or Google Domain, then you can also connect the domain to your Shopify store. So both options are possible. So you can buy from Shopify or you can bring your own. Shopify gives step-by-step instruction for connecting the domain. So even if you are not a tech expert, you can still do it by following the guide. One more thing I want to tell you is that when Shopify gives you the hosting, they also gives you some other things for free with that. Like you get SSL certificate, which means your website is safe and secure for customers and you don't have to pay extra for that because Shopify includes it with the hosting. Also, Shopify makes sure your store works well on mobile phones and they update the platform regularly. So your website will stay up to date without doing anything. And yes, there is monthly fee for using Shopify. It is not free forever and you can get a free trial to test and all of this thing. So after all, yes, this is the thing. Now I hope you understand clearly. Shopify does host your website and it also gives you option for domain and you don't need to go another hosting company or domain company if you want. If you want to try Shopify or learn more, you can check the description below. Maybe we will upload a helpful link for you and more information for you, so you can check that. And if you like this video and if this video is helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.